Imagine two employees performing the exact same task. One finishes in 5 minutes, the other takes 15. One follows every safety step correctly. The other skips half the process. One produces consistent quality. The other creates constant mistakes and rework. This is exactly the problem standard work was designed to solve. Standard work is a lean method used to define the safest, most efficient, and most consistent way to perform a task. The goal is simple: reduce variation, improve consistency, and create reliable processes that can be repeated every time. Without standard work, every employee develops their own way of doing things. Some methods are efficient, some are slow, some create quality problems. And over time, inconsistency spreads across the organization. Standard work creates one agreed best practice for completing a task. This does not mean people stop thinking or improving. It simply means everybody starts from the same reliable baseline. Imagine a warehouse where every picker organizes orders differently. Some scan products first, some pack first, some skip verification steps entirely. Training becomes difficult. Errors increase, and performance becomes unpredictable. Now imagine the company introduces standard work. Every picker follows the same sequence: scan, pick, verify, pack, label, dispatch. Suddenly, the process becomes easier to train, easier to measure, and easier to improve. This is why standard work is considered one of the foundations of lean operations. It creates stability. And stable processes are much easier to improve than chaotic ones. Standard work usually includes 3 major elements: tact time, the pace required to meet customer demand; work sequence, the exact order of process steps; and standard inventory, the minimum materials or stock required to keep work flowing smoothly. Importantly, standard work is not supposed to remain static forever. As better methods are discovered, the standard gets updated. That is how continuous improvement works. You improve the process. Then the new best method becomes the new standard. The companies that improve fastest are usually not the ones relying on individual heroics. They are the ones building simple, repeatable systems that allow good performance to happen consistently every single day. Explore free templates, calculators, courses, videos, and software tools at simplicityhub.co.uk. SimplicityHub. Making things simple.